The following is a video to assist you in learning how to install the PoleGuard product manufactured by CritterGuard. The PoleGuard is the most effective product on the market designed to block access of squirrels and other rodents from gaining access to overhead electrical equipment and causing power outages. The PoleGuard is designed to be installed around a wooden utility pole approximately 10 to 12 feet above the ground. Its purpose is to block access of squirrels and other rodents from the ground up to overhead equipment. PoleGuards are shipped in a single pack or 4-pack box like this. The components of each are packed in a durable, clear, sealed plastic bag. The components are 14 roller halves, 2 plate halves, 1 strip of corrugated flex tubing, and a coupling. Inside the smaller bag are 4 zinc-coated 10-inch nails, stainless steel ties and clamps, 4 white plastic fasteners, and a printed instruction sheet. You want to begin by assembling the roller halves into 7 complete rollers. Match the guide pins and holes along the inside of each roller half and the 4 locking tabs. Interlock all tabs on both sides of each roller. The rollers will not come apart once assembled. Locate where on the pole you want to install the PoleGuard. Mark a level line around the pole. You may want to use a wraparound tool to guide you. Next, you want to hammer the 4 zinc-coated nails into the pole, equidistant from each other. For example, north, east, south, and west. If you use a wraparound and the circumference measures 32 inches, you will mark your spots at 8, 16, 24, and 32 inches. Mark your nails and drive them perpendicular to the pole approximately 3 3/4 inch deep. For poles measuring less than 10 inches in diameter, the flexible conduit tubing and coupling will be necessary. Wrap the conduit around the pole and cut it to the appropriate length. Secure the ends of the conduit into the 1.5-inch coupling. It is recommended that you glue these connections. Now you are ready to set the 2 plate halves. Position the 2 plate halves around the pole above the nails and align them so that they match. Secure the plate halves together by pressing the 4 plastic fasteners into the properly aligned holes. If applicable, the connected conduit will be above the plate halves. Align the connected plate to have equal centering on the pole. Adjust the depth of the 4 nails as necessary. Securely fasten the plate to the nails with the stainless steel ties and clamps. If applicable, the conduit slides down to rest on top of the plate, filling any void. Secure the conduit with 16-penny nails driven into the pole above the conduit. The final step is to hang the 7 rollers on the outside of the plate. Test to ensure the rollers turn freely and make any last-minute adjustments as necessary to complete a secure installation. This completes the installation of your PoleGuard product from CritterGuard. Thank you for your attention and learning how to install this impassable barrier.